Yo, what is up, guys? Bringing you a new video. So today I got the monthly recap of September, and tomorrow starts the new month of October. Spooky season starts tomorrow, and so I'm pretty excited for that. But what I got going on right here is a monthly recap of September. And so on Tuesday, the first loss of 15.03. Then Wednesday, the second, a profit of 498. Thursday, profit of 31.52. Friday of 26.05 profit. And so I did 4 trades in total for that week, and a profit week of 47.52, and no trade the 7th or the 8th. And then on the 9th, a loss at 543, recuperating those gains with the $20.95 gain. The next day, a $16.75 gain, and then 2 winning trades on the 11th, which were 11.94 plus 11.61, and total of 5 trades for that week. Profit of 55.82. Again, no trade Monday the 14th, and then on the 15th, a loss of 510, and then another loss the next day at 55.31. On the 17th, a $10.97 gain, and then on the 18th, $8.02 of loss. A total 4 trades, losing 57.46 for that week. Again, no trade on the 21st, Mondays. On the 22nd, 2 losses, one at 43.95 and another loss at 18.04. A profit at 16.47 for that Wednesday. And then Thursday, a profit of 80.27 plus 32.47. No trade on Friday, doing 5 trades for that week, and a profit of 67.22. And then again, no trade on that 28th on Monday. A profit of no profit, 2 losses, one at 7.87 and then a loss at 5.03. And then ending the month at a loss at 57.06, and for that week it is a $69.96 loss. And drum roll, please. That's not even a drum roll. That's my tongue. But it's a total of 21 trades and a profit of 43.14. And so what we got. On my last trade, I'm not upset about it, but I did stick to my plan. But the one I am very upset at was this one right here at that 55.31. I did a video about it. It's PLIN. I'll have it annotated, but I'm gonna give you guys a brief description of it. And so again, that's PLIN. I bought 600 shares at 92 cents, averaging selling price of 83 cents. Lost 55.31, volume 12.3 million, market cap 16.4 million, shares outstanding 22.05. And then my thesis was PLIN morning panicked and break its pre-market high. My goal was to sell past pre-market high, and then risking 89 cents. Again, look at this. I sold at 83, and so my plan was to sell at 89. So about 3 cents down of risk, and so that would have been, I don't know how much that would have been, but how did I do on the trade? So got out at so I got 37 shares at 85, and then the rest 563 at 82. So that's why it averaged out, but majority of the shares I sold were at 82. So lost 55.23. Not okay. So this is where we get to the learning part. So I was not being disciplined and not get out when I planned. Could have lost $7 to $10, but tripled it and wanted to risk disaster. So on this one, I was holding and hoping. Basically, that's what it was. I was not accepting what the market was giving me, and so I took a bigger loss than I had planned. And so what could I have done better, and what do I want to do better on the next trade? So first off, I should have gotten out of my risk at my risk level, but was not reacting to the market. Wanted to make money instead of reacting to the market right when it hit my risk level. And then on the second part, again, get out of my risk level. Don't risk more because it'll set you back. Stick to the plan. You're not always going to be right, but you can cut your losses immediately. And so you guys could check out that video. I'll have it annotated and in the description down below. And for my biggest win, which was on 80.27 on the 24th, SUNW bought 110 shares at $5.38, selling at $6.11. I won $80.27. Volume 268. Market cap 34.80 million. Shares outstanding 16.6 million. And I didn't have a thesis nor a goal in mind, but I was you could just see my thought process in that. I also have a video about that one, but a brief description about it was I did have a risk, so that's what I did have. I always write a risk when I enter a trade. I don't want to go into a trade not having a risk, because you're not putting yourself a price limit to get out at, or you're just holding and hoping. And so the dollar amount I put in the trade was $591.80. And so how did I do on the trade? So sold at 610, profit of 80.27. So placed order, then stock went up. I was going to chase, but I kept my price in, got executed at my buy, then dropped all the way to 477. Breaking my wrist, wanted it to give it a minute to breathe. I felt as that it was a sympathy play, like POLA, so I kept holding. Could have risked it more, but momentum looked as if it were going high because it got halted and people were going to want to buy. So you guys could see why I held SUNW. In the video, I explained why it was a sympathy play with POLA, and you could check out that video, and it shows exactly why I entered, and what could I have done better, and what do I want to do better in my next trade. And so I should have dropped my buy a little lower, about 5.08, risk 482 or so, or I could have ride the wave up about 774, then sold, but overall happy with this trade. And then on the second part, sell into strength. It kept going up, so I should have sold into strength, but wanted to lock in profit. So I remember it kept on going up and it topping out at like $8 or so. But again, you could look at that video. It shows. I just want to go over my monthly recap for this video, and you guys could see that video. It's its own separate video, so you guys could check that out. But for the month of September, I'm pretty this month went pretty fast. But overall, more trades in the last couple months. But yeah, I'm always trying to adapt to what the market is giving me, reacting to it, always optimizing and refining my strategy. I'm just trying to keep it going. I'm being persistent, and I'm going what the market gives me, basically, and adapting to what it does, and just going in with the plan. And if it doesn't go, I try to take smaller profits or take my lesson learned. But that's pretty much my month of September. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you guys could drop a like down below, I would appreciate that. And if you do subscribe, and if you did make it this far into the video, just comment down below one thing you learned off this. And yeah, just share your thought process in becoming a better trader. Again, I'm just always trying to optimize my strategy, become better than I was, and become the best trader I can be, you know. But I gotta focus on my own trading, and stick disciplined to what I planned on doing. And so that's pretty much it for the month of September. Next month should be better. Yeah, hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. Peace.